In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause an automation in Monday.com. If you need to temporarily stop an automation without deleting it completely, Monday.com makes that process simple. This is useful when you want to prevent actions from running for a while, maybe while you update a workflow, troubleshoot unexpected behavior, or make changes to your board without triggering automatic steps in the background. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to pause the automation and then how to turn it back on later if you decide to use it again. Start by opening the Monday.com board that contains the automation you want to manage. Make sure you are on the correct board since automations are tied to the specific board where they were created. Once you're inside the board, look for the Automations section and click on it to open the automation settings. After that, go to either Board Automations or Active Automations, depending on what appears in your workspace. The wording can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You want to open the area where the current automations for that board are listed. This is where you can review what is running and make changes to individual automation rules. Next, find the automation you want to pause. If your board has several automations, take a moment to read through the list carefully so you select the correct one. This is especially important if multiple automations have similar triggers or actions. Choosing the right automation helps you avoid accidentally disabling something you still need. Once you've found it, use the toggle to turn the automation off or choose the option to disable it. This will pause the automation, so it no longer runs when its trigger conditions are met. In other words, the automation stays saved in your board, but it becomes inactive until you manually enable it again. After turning it off, confirm that the automation is no longer active. Look for a visual indication that it has been disabled, such as the toggle changing state or the automation appearing as inactive in the list. Taking a second to verify this helps ensure the automation has actually been paused and won't continue running unexpectedly. Later, if you want to use that automation again, simply return to the same section, find the automation, and turn it back on. That way, you can pause automations only when needed and reactivate them whenever your workflow is ready. And that's how to pause an automation in Monday.com.